Okay, it's unboxing day for the CycleBoard Rover G2. Pretty excited. Oh, one more thing. There's two of them. Oh, one more thing. My FedEx guy hates me. Let's get into it. Okay, I have simply slit the tape. I have not opened the box yet. I just wanted to save the trouble of fumbling with that. So here we go. Should have a carbon one and a ghost gray one. This appears to be the ghost one. Pretty well packaged in there. A little bit of fracture on the styrofoam, but I'd be willing to bet that's no big deal. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this out of here. Everything looks pretty intact so far. Cable, miscellaneous hardware and tools, instruction manual, and random box. Again, some slight fracturing of the styrofoam, but all in all, it's looking pretty good. Okay, box is out of here. Oh, that was way lighter than I expected. Almost hit myself in the face with it because I expected it to be heavy. Feels like there's nothing in there. Maybe it's just to take up space, be a cushion. Oh, and then of course this one's heavy. Typical. All right. Let's see what's in these two. Okay, first box is nada. That was anticlimactic. Okay, second box is tires, it looks like. All right, that's cool. Good looking meaty tire. Surprisingly stout, beefy. Second tire, second verse. Same as the first. Nothing else in the box. Okay. Hopefully I ate my Wheaties this morning. Probably going to regret this, and it's probably not the best way to do it, but I'm just going to try to lift this out of here with one hand and film with the other. Mistakes. Mistakes were made. Mistakes were made. Okay. Well, there she is. Mostly assembled. The thing is stout. And I will say, in person, a lot bigger than I expected it to be. So, let's get in it. Just going to go ahead and double check the box. I don't know about you, but I have made that classic mistake of going through a box too quickly, and then you end up throwing away your remote control to your TV because it was tucked in the styrofoam or something lovely like that. Again, a little bit of damage to the styrofoam, no big deal. I think it just basically did its job. And that's it. So yeah, CycleBoard wrapped up, collapsed, primarily assembled with the exception of the front wheels, it looks like. Not bad. Okay. Some plastic unwrapped here. Man, this thing's no freaking joke, man. That is a piece of hardware. Okay. Isn't that nice and convenient? Right. Valve stem facing out. Okay, and then there were 4 nuts. One there, one there, one there, one there. Simple hand tighten. Pretty slick. Sweet. Okay, and here is the carbon gray, otherwise known as dark gray, almost black. This one looks like it actually came out pretty unscathed, actually. Styrofoam looks mint. That's always good. And no surprises here. What we already saw. Slightly beat up and fractured stuff. Oh, that's not good. Come on, you. So, slightly beat up and styrofoam. Looks like it took a little bit of a hit, but nothing that should be any kind of structural damage to the unit. So, let's go ahead and... This thing was loose. I'm gonna have to carefully check to make sure I have all of those. See, and you won't get me this time. One of these boxes will be really light. And that's the one. And the other one will have the tires in it, which is that one. Almost gave myself a hernia last time, but my wife will attest that I never learned, so here we go. All right, looking pretty good. Looks like the styrofoam on this one got a little bit more beat up, but again, nothing that would concern me as far as the unit is concerned. And I know I don't have to as aggressively check all the crevices this time because we've already done this once. So let's see what this sucker looks like. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Alright, there's the carbon gray. Red's a lot more vibrant in person than it was on the screen. Moment of truth. This power's on. Sweet. Got some adjustments to do. Tighten everything down. And hopefully Mama Bear is going to enjoy this. Cool stuff. There they are. His and hers. CycleBoard Rover G2s. Pretty cool. Alright, ride review video coming up, and you know I'm going to compare it against the one wheel. That's going to happen.